What is going on, guys? Luke here today, and did you hear that a crash was coming? So I got my protection on, and no, not that kind. Get your heads out of the gutters, guys. My protection plan in place just in case a crash does happen. And as we have discussed before, there is no reason to worry, as a crash is just an opportunity to go discount shopping. But you guys asked repeatedly in the comments about my picks if the market does crash. So I will tell you the exact 7 stocks I will absolutely be buying in bulk if there is another downturn and it gets ugly out there. But I like ugly. Ugly is beautiful in the end. So let's talk about those stocks right now. Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we will cover the 7 stocks I will be buying if the market crashes, and I will give you my price targets for each. And if you are new here, yes, I do wear my shades in the dark, because, well, you know, it's fun, and there's no reason why we cannot have fun and make big money. And like the video if you like the new setup, and because it really does help the channel. Now let's dive into this. Okay, so the first crash stock I'm targeting, that would be Apple, or ticker symbol AAPL. And I gotta make sure I get my ticker symbols right, or else you guys destroy me down in the comments when I get them wrong. Now you guys know I'm a huge fan of Apple stock. Have been since before the iPod ever came to market. If you use Apple products, it's hard to use anything else, because it's almost a niche in and of its own. I personally use nothing but Apple exclusively. And no, I'm not sponsored, but I will happily be, so if someone out there has a hookup at Apple, help me out here. It is such an awesome balance sheet. And that will be a theme as we go through today, with the exception of my last pick. It could be controversial, but the rest, expect great balance sheets. Price target for Apple honestly is anything. I've been a net buyer for over 2 decades, and I learned my lesson about selling them after the iPod took off, and I thought it was just a fad. I mean, who doesn't want a CD? I was obviously wrong. But if you forced me to put a price on it, it would be $85 or so when I would start adding shares again. But I may not stick to that, as I just love this stock that much.
I'm the Tesla bull.
Whoa, a little aggressive.
Tesla better be on your list. It better be
I
now.
don't want to tell you that, because then it'll ruin the surprise if it is or is not in the video.
I'm the Tesla bull. Other stocks don't exist, just Tesla. Your list sucks if you don't have Tesla on there 4 times. I'm the Tesla
I
bull.
got it, Tesla bull. Yes, understand, you're a Tesla bull. You love Tesla.
Do you even love Tesla?
I love Tesla too. So crash stock number 2 that I'm targeting, that would be Coca-Cola and Procter & Gamble, ticker symbol KO and PG.
What is going on? You cannot have 2 stocks in one pick.
Yes I can, because it's my channel and I get to make the rules or break the rules. Is it actually breaking the rules though if I make the rules and whatever? And to be perfectly honest, I am buying them both for the same reason, and they are pretty much the same type stock. Both have increased their dividend every year for almost 60 years. And both are considered dividend aristocrats. So I have to have some royalty in my portfolio. You know, now I'm proper. I am looking to increase the dividend part of my portfolio significantly over the next 5 years, and although Apple absolutely fits the bill, I need some of the old dividend stalwarts to add some consistency when it comes to the dividend. And since these type stocks don't move up and down, you know, kind of like Tesla does, they provide exactly what I want. Plus now I can prove that I'm very mature because I own these stocks. Price target for Coke is anything in the low 40s, and I will buy heavily if it dips into the 30s. And my price target for Procter would be around $110 to $114 or so. So crash stock number 3 that I'm targeting, that would be Facebook, ticker symbol FB. I do not use it at all except for this channel, and I don't really do much with it. But it seems like everyone else does. Facebook has the boomers completely locked in, and they don't want to use anything else, and they are the largest generation in America. But what really attracts me to them is their balance sheet. So let's take a look at that. Another beautiful balance sheet here. And what is really impressive is their margins. Look right here, Facebook's margins are out of this world. You won't see another large cap company with margins like this. Here, just to show some contrast, look at it compared to Apple's margins. Those look great for sure, but look back at Facebook's. Those are some super juicy margins, and I'm in love with that for sure. And yes, I'm well aware that is one of the reasons I cannot get a date. I know. Price target for Facebook would be $170 or so. Oh yeah, and if you don't have a platform to buy a stock from, make sure you sign up for Webull using the link down below, and they will give you a free stock. And who doesn't like free? So crash stock number 4 I am targeting, that would be Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. They have done just amazing during this downturn. There is always a Prime box on my doorstep. It's, kind of ridiculous. And this whole illness thing has forced me to use them for groceries with Amazon Fresh. And I won't lie, I don't ever want to go back to the grocery store again if I don't have to. I literally do not have to leave my house to get virtually anything now. They are the industry leader, and it's not even close. So my price target is anything under $2,000, but I won't lie. I will probably start buying at around $2,500 because I just think Amazon is great at virtually any price. But I will try to remain disciplined and buy at my price target. So crash stock number 5 that I'm targeting, that would be Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Now this is where it gets interesting. You know I love Tesla, and you know I love Elon, and you know he's a subscriber to my channel, which sent Tesla on its current run way up. Come on guys, the chart doesn't lie. But due to all the hype around Tesla and my channel, if there is a true market correction, I think Tesla will get hammered, bigger than everyone else. You cannot 5x, 6x, 7x, 8x, whatever it was after the crash in March, and not expect it to take a big drop if the market corrects again. And yes, I agree. The market, Apple, Amazon, etc., everyone has run up massively. But no large cap stock has run up more than Tesla, and it's not even close. And if you are one of the few who think Tesla is immune from a broad market downturn or crash, well, you would be wrong. Now slow down. If you are arguing long-term Tesla will be fine and even dominate, then I absolutely agree 100%. You are right. But if you are arguing Tesla will stay in the 300s or 400s if the market crashes like it did in March, well, then you would just be wrong. Let's look at Exhibit A for March. You tell me what Tesla has done in the past 6 months to make it completely immune from a complete market sell-off again. Now before blasting me down in the comments, you should be excited if it does go down like it did in March. It means you get to pick up more shares at a massive discount. Now I'm sorry if you're swing trading or day trading, but long-term investors like myself should be dancing in the streets if this happens. So my price target in that scenario is about $205 to start buying due to the wild nature of the stock. And if it breaks past $150 or so, I might put even more capital towards Tesla than I plan to. So crash stock number 6 that I am targeting, that would be Walgreens, ticker symbol WBA. Another dividend play with a dividend yield of just over 5%. I don't think pharmacies are going away anytime soon, and they are one of the biggest, if not the biggest pharmacies in the world. They have plenty of cash, a great balance sheet, and at the end of the day, they just get used too much. I mean, honestly, who hasn't shopped at Walgreens before? Who hasn't gotten a last minute item or medicine there in the middle of the night? I think virtually everyone has at one point in time or another. And the cash cow for Walgreens is the prescription side of the house. And I don't see us not getting our meds in the future. And as the population here in the US continues to age, Walgreens is positioning itself beyond prescriptions to take advantage of those medical needs. So I think Walgreens has some major growth coming in the next 10 years. My price target for Walgreens in a crash would be under $30. So stock crash number 7 I am targeting, that would be Square. Ticker symbol SQ. I don't think anybody wants me to tickle Square. This one is bound to create a little controversy, as I agree they are not an A+ company like the other ones on this list. But I really like everything about what they are doing, and I love that they are shaking up a major legacy industry. And in the illness environment, they have absolutely thrived, where I honestly thought they might struggle due to the Square payment system being such a large part of the business. But with the huge migration over to Cash App, they prove they can thrive in this post-illness environment. But like many stocks right now, it is simply overvalued, and there is simply too many years of revenue growth priced in already, even for a high growth stock like Square. So I think they will get hammered if a stock market correction happens. But like we have been saying all along, that just means opportunity. So my price target for Square is $55. So there you have it. That is my list based on my plans, my goals, and my strategy, and my situation. But as always, do not listen to me, as I am not a financial advisor, obviously, and think for yourself and find your stocks and your price targets that match your goals and plan and your situation, which is different than everyone else's. And if you don't know how to do that and want to work directly with me as I show you how to create a plan, set defined goals, how to analyze a stock and build real wealth, check out the first link in the description where I will teach you my method for all those things and more. And don't forget to sign up for Webull so you can get a free stock and show your support for the channel by, liking the video. And follow me on all my social medias I have so you can watch me epically fail on all of those. Thanks.